Now you see a person walking along a quiet forest path. The sunlight shifts through the trees as they take each step. Suddenly, a snake strikes from the side of the trail and bites the lower leg. The victim reacts instantly, falling to the ground in shock and pain. A rescuer arrives and first checks the surroundings. They make sure the snake is gone and that the area is safe before coming closer. Now the rescuer calms the victim and stops them from moving. Keeping the bitten leg still is one of the most important steps after a snake bite. The rescuer calls emergency services, knowing that medical treatment is essential. Next, they gently remove tight clothing from the bitten area, lightly clean around the bite, and place a clean, loose bandage on top. No pressure is applied. The rescuer then immobilizes the leg using soft materials so the victim cannot move it. They stay close, watching the victim's breathing, reassuring them, and waiting for help. Remember, do not cut the wound, do not suck the venom, do not apply a tight tourniquet, and do not let the victim walk.